Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to stories and reels in Unfold. Here I'm using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the Android user can also follow the same steps. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Unfold app. Tap the plus button on the home screen. Now choose Story for Instagram Stories, Reels for Instagram Reels. Once your story or reel is ready, look at the editing tool at the bottom, tap the music or audio icon. There is where you can add background music to your project. Now you'll see different ways to add music. Choose from Unfold built-in music library or add music from your device if available. When you find a song you like, tap add. After adding the music, you can trim the song to fit your story or reel. Adjust the volume level to where the music starts. Make sure the music matches the mood of your photo or video. Tap the play or preview button to watch your story or reel with music. If it sounds good, tap done. If not, you can change or remove the music anytime. You have successfully learned how to add music to story and reel in Unfold. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.